is a key initiative towards achieving the very goal that brought all of us here. Now that we have a fully functional ASAL committee at the Council of Governors chaired by my colleague and brother, Governor Moses Kasaine, I urge that the committee and the Ministry of Devolution and ASAL's development with other stakeholders in ASAL development to move with speed in developing structures to ensure all deliberate efforts that lead to transformation of ASAL areas are well coordinated and there is mutual accountability and synergy among all the actors.
We want to embrace that spirit, the UN spirit of seeing how we can work together through this partnership to deliver as one, so that we have an all-inclusive growth in all our counties, so that we leave no one behind. I think those were three good words that we learned during the UNDP launch, and I hope as we work with them, we will be able to enhance this partnership as we move forward, as we improve coordination.
My plea to the ministry is, as we look forward to coming to the second ASAL conference, kindly see the possibility of holding semi-conferences, semi-ASAL conferences, so that these issues can be debated, can be argued, and can be agreed upon at that level. So that when we go to the bigger platform, that is the ASAL conference in Kajiado, at least most of these things that have the potential of dividing us will have been debated, will have been resolved, and a solution before coming to Kajiado will have been found.